Hey guys, we're live at 9:50. Running a mini for Ross's carded TIE Fighter pilot. I got 40 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top 5 winners. Paste it in here. 1 through 40. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. To play, we got a 7. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Beetlejuice in the top spot for our first round. And second round. Michael takes round 3 and round 4. Hans takes 5. Michael again on top in our next to last round, round 6, with number 11. Bringing us to the final round, the one that counts. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Donnie, Beetlejuice, Greg, and Michael. Congratulations, guys. Let's make it official. There's our stamp. QOBFDK. There we have them. Now that we got that sorted out, I am done. Just as the clock turned to 9:52 p.m. Again, here's the results. Congrats to our winners. There's the rest of them. See you next time, guys. Thanks.